What's the popular interview question, guys? What is the difference between BeanFactory and application context content? Yeah, I think people are taking time to join. 1 minute. Let me switch on my power plug. Padma, sound like it's right, boss. Yeah, I think people are taking time to join. Meanwhile, let me share this Saturday workshop details, guys. This Saturday, you have 2 sessions to attend, boss. Morning is long session. Morning one is very much long session. It may take 2.5 hours, 3 hours minimum. Okay, Log4j, workshop on Log4j and SLF4j. Workshop on Log4j and SLF4j. Okay, evening as usually regular session, boss. Evening as usually regular session. Super. You have college, fine. Attend online. You can attend from mobile, you know that? You can attend from mobile. Yeah, don't worry. A session will be recorded and you will get the videos. Okay. Yeah, Hariharan, I'll one day I will definitely put the code in the GitHub. Don't worry. Not in the Facebook, in the GitHub I keep it. Okay, at least otherwise let me do that work first. Anyhow, people are taking time to join now. This is our workspace. Yeah, first let me do that work. Yeah, I know that every day I start class 5 minutes late and today a bit early. That's why people are taking time. Okay, github.com. This is our github.com. Create a new repository. What is the name of the repository, guys? Hey, our batch code NTSPBMS715DB. Sorry, 715 repo. It's not 715, sorry, 616. 616 repo. Yeah, public, guys. Public, guys, create repository. GitHub, in GitHub, I created central repository. This is my URL, boss. Come here. Show view others related to Git. 2 things. Git to staging, Git report. 2 tabs I want. Don't think much. 2 tabs I want. Clone Git repository, guys. Latest one has come. Latest one has come. Oh, it is asking username and password. NTSPBMS. No problem. 616. It is asking me username and password. I think natraz@gmail.com is the username. Password is different. Super, boss. 612 repo. 612 repo. Where to create the local repository? C drive I may format once in a while, guys. So C drive, class content, hit. Yeah, I want to create with this name, local repository with this name. Say finish, guys. Yeah, repository is created. Repository is created. Cool. Now, let me put all these projects in the repository. You need not to know password, username, password. Since I created repository as the public repository, guys, there is no need of you knowing this one. Share projects, guys. This one was finish. You need not to know the process, Mr. Sachin. Okay, now I will share the URL, boss. You need not to know the process. If you want to enjoy the process, I will share the GitHub videos. Watch it first. Yeah, everyone please use this link. Everyone please use this link. Click on that link. Are you able to get the applications like this? Are you able to get the code like this, guys? Not able to get anything? Emptiness? Projects? Yeah, I will tell. Still things are there in my control. Yeah. Still not committed, right? Still not committed. Wait, my dear. Okay. Initial commit and push. Again, asking username, password. natraz@gmail.com. Oh, problem has come. It is not taking the username, password as we expect. One minute. It's a Natraz World. Fine. 1 minute. natrazworld@gmail.com. I think some token also required, guys. Some token also required. Wait. Say login. Mr. Sehyar Khan, I have entire procedure is given, Babu, for you people. Cannot connect to this. Is not authorized. Is not authorized. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Let me delete it. Let me delete the repository. Clone Git repository was razworld@gmail.com is the username. Stored in secure environment. Say next. Say finish. Done. Right click, bean commit. Initial commit, guys. Oh, it's not coming. Okay, what to do now? Git repositories. Mr. Googla, I'm trying to keep the projects. Mr. Googla, I'm trying to create the project in GitHub. That's what I'm trying to do here. I think it is not taking the project's existing username password, Babu. It is asking me to go for. It is asking me to go for token generation. Please wait. Please wait, guys. Some disturbance has come. Done. 1 minute. Go to this place, guys. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Please switch off your cameras, Mr. Googla. Why did you open your camera? repo. 616 repo. I would like to delete this. I would like to delete this repository. Settings. Is there any option of deleting repository, boss? Is there any option of deleting repository? Deleting repository. Otherwise, let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. In this repository only, we add this one. Okay. In the upper right corner of any page, log into verify email address. It has been verified at. Right corner of any page, click on your profile photo. Wait a minute. Profile photo. Settings. Yes, here is the settings. In this settings, developer settings, where we can see developer settings, guys. Developer settings. Click personal access tokens. Right. Tokens, guys. Generate new token. Generate new token, guys. Asking me to submit the password. Please confirm. Token name, anything you can give, guys. Okay, token name, anything you token one, some name, guys. What is expiry time? Custom or forever? Is there any option of forever? Okay, should not expire till 2023. Till 2023 November. Yeah, okay, no problem. Resource owner, public repository. For all repositories, come on. Okay, public repositories. Click on generate token. Click on generate token. Copy the token, guys. Make sure that personal token as you are able to do it again. Okay, I copied it, guys. Now come here. Git repository. Git repository here. Wait a minute. You don't worry about it. You don't worry about it, please. Git bash, all these are not required, Babu. Git bash, all these not required. Fine. Wait a minute. 7 days, are 2023 I have taken, Babu. Please. 1 minute. Let's copy paste this somewhere, guys. I pasted here. Tell me, I need my repository URL, guys. Where is my repository URL? Repository URL. Home page. I want to go to home page. Don't worry. There is a process, guys. When username password is expired, I'm just following the process. Don't think much on it. Okay. NTSP616 repo. Where is our 616 repo, boss? These many repositories are there, boss. 616 repo. I'm not able to see that. Where is that? 615. 616 repo. We got it. Collect this. Come here. Say paste. Say paste. In the place of password, let me submit the token. In the place of password, let me submit the token. Okay. You can create this only after attending the GitHub workshop or after watching the videos. First get the knowledge on GitHub, then worry about how to create all these things. Fine. Okay. Yeah, this is done, guys. Now, team disconnected. Team share projects. Selected this. Right? Finish. Finish was. Git staging, guys. Nothing is coming up. Okay. When nothing is coming, just commit was. Commit was. What is this? Initial commit. It's saying that receive pack not permitted. What do you mean by receive pack not permitted, boss? This process you need not to know. This process you need not to know. Initial spell mistake, not an issue. That is just a comment. Don't worry about it. Okay. Remerge, guys. Preview, guys. Cannot connect. Receive pack not. Receive pack not permitted on it. Super, guys. 1 minute. I'll create everything freshly from scratch. Some issue might be happening, guys. Is there any option of deleting repository? I want process of deleting repository, guys. Created 2 repositories. My recent activity. I got into that repository, boss. Is there any option of deleting repository? Show me, guys. Settings. In settings, is there any option? Delete this repository. Okay, please type Natraj World to confirm. Unexpected things happen to do this. Yeah, what should I type there? Password? I need to copy paste. Paste. Deleted, guys. Let it be. Type. Tell me. NATARAZ. NTSPBMS616 repo. 616 repo 1 available. Public create repository. Public create repository. Copy this. Yeah, 1 minute. First, let me generate the token. Settings. Developer settings. Developer settings. Personal access tokens. Okay, let me generate a new token for this one. Personal access token, guys. Generate new token. Okay, fine, great. Repos. Classic one. Tell me. Token 2. 30 days. Let's keep as it is. Click on generate token message. Let's copy these guys. Let's paste. Let's copy these guys. Let's paste. Okay. Get into our repositories. I'm trying to do everything from scratch level. Delete it. Team disconnected. We should check access permissions. Where? What access permissions we should check, Rabab? Yeah. All right, boss. Token 2. Tell me next one. Fine grained access tokens. Fine. No, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Git repository. What is our Git URL, guys? What is our Git URL? Settings.com 616. Where is 616 repo 1? Copy these guys. Say paste. Say paste. Let's paste the access token freshly. Let's paste the access token freshly. Say paste. Say next. Yeah, Git repository is empty. Fine. Cool. Instead of users folder, e-dry class content. 1 minute. Some issue, technical issue from my side. You don't take attention. Repo 1. Say finish. Project repo creation is over, boss. Right click, team, share project, done, finish. Super. Done. Say commit, done. Array, this is comment only. Don't worry about spell mistakes in this one. It's just a comment for our reference comment. Commit, guys. Cannot connect to repositories. Pack not permitted on. Pack not permitted on. Or I selected staged to unstaged, I selected. Okay, we'll see later, boss. We'll see later. I think some technical with no. Take token is taken wantedly, boss. Token is taken wantedly. No, unstaged to stage they have come now. Okay. Minute. Git repository. Remote version upstream. Upstream is this push. No. Okay. Put stream. Some issue, boss. Some technical issue. I think some issue is there. Some technical issue is there. Configure push. No, some problem is there. I try to create a better account. Some technical issue from Git side. From technical issue from Git side. We need to generate the access token like push pull. Not required, guys. We already generated. We have already generated, guys. Let it be. Let's come back to the subject. What is the difference between BeanFactory and application context container? Okay. Listen. Only for interview. We never worked. I never prefer. Only for interview sake. For interview sake. Right? Sachin, if you don't have habit of seeing the answer, don't ask me same question 2-3 times. I said use exception propagation for your answer. You have not seen answer and kept the same question. Feel shame, Babu. Propagation. Rahman Khan, so far what I tried, guys, is it not that? So far I tried to keep in GitHub, na? Rahman Khan, are you out of sync? So far I worked on that only. Some problem in the Git, that's why once problem is resolved, I'll upload. Great people, boss. Okay. Tell me. Here is BeanFactory container. Here is my application context container. Here is my BeanFactory container. Here is my application context container. Super, guys. Super. Tell me, what is the first one? What is the first difference, guys? It is the object of a class that implements BeanFactory container interface. BeanFactory interface directly or indirectly. Next, A. Tell me. It is the object of a Java class that implements application context interface directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. It is subset of application context container. It is subset of application context container. It is superset of BeanFactory container. BeanFactory container. Got it, boss? Okay. Does not support pre-instantiation of singleton scope beans. Does not support pre-instantiation of singleton scope spring beans. Other side supports or not, boss? Supports. D. There is no support for properties file and placeholders. Properties file and placeholders. Okay, directly. Indirectly you may achieve, guys, but directly we cannot enjoy. Directly we cannot enjoy what? Properties file and placeholders. There is support for, there is direct support for what is this? Properties file and placeholders. Placeholders. Don't ask me what is placeholder. Array, don't ask me what is placeholder. Actually, I given wrong. This is this one now, boss. Dollar open flower bracket key. Right? Here I have given wrongly. Actually, here I given wrongly. Somehow in my mind, JDBC placeholder came into mind. Dollar key. Okay. Direct. Next, he was no support for internationalization. I-18N. Okay. Supports the internationalization. I-18N. Right, boss? Definitely right. Next, F. Support does not support the event handling. Does not support the event handling. Okay. Supports. Does not give direct support for annotation driven configurations and 100% code driven configurations. 100% code driven configuration supports, allows only XML file as the as Spring Bean configuration file. Allows only XML file as the Spring Bean configuration file. Okay. Allows, come on. Allows XML file as the Spring Bean configuration file and configuration class Java class annotated with configuration. As the configuration class. The, XML file as Spring Bean configuration file, configuration class as the configuration class. Configuration class. Yeah, where it is required, guys? Required in array in 100% code given configurations. Can we entertain XML? No. We should avoid XML. So playing XML role, there should be configuration class na. Playing XML role, there should be configuration class or not, boss? Yeah. Oh. Tell me next one. Required in 100% code driven configurations and Spring Boot programming. Definitely required in what? In both places, XML is not entertained, boss. When XML is not entertained, configuration class is very much required or not? Hmm. Very much required or not? Cannot think about using in Spring Boot programming, boss. Cannot think about using in Spring Boot programming. Can think about using in Spring Boot programming. Can think about using in Spring Boot programming. Not can think. You required in Spring Boot programming, not user. Required in Spring Boot programming, right, boss? Required in Spring Boot programming. That's a better statement. Required in Spring Boot programming. Understanding my statement, guys? Super, boss. Next, J. J. Okay, guys. What is J, guys? What is J, 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 J? Suitable in resource sensitive application, memory and resource sensitive applications. Source sensitive applications. Supernavas. Who said auto wiring is? Annotations means including auto wire, Navas. When I say annotations, including auto wiring, right? Super. Suitable. Okay. Mostly used Spring container in most of the Spring applications. Most of the Spring applications. Okay. Super, guys. Okay, boss. Supports GitHub or not? GitHub is nowhere related to BeanFactory application context of Mr. Google. My muddy fellow, it is there to keep the code. You can keep Java code, .NET code, X code, Y code, Z code. Okay, please. Most of the Spring applications uses mostly used Spring container in most of the Spring applications. Most of the Spring applications. Spring applications. Next, guys. Okay. This container cannot be stopped. This container cannot be stopped or closed. Are you understanding? Memory, where less memory, when if less memory is there for application. If less memory is there for application, the application to execute. If less memory is there for executed. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. No, less memory. I'll tell, like mobile applications, satellite application, embedded system applications, where less memory. Memory freedom is not there. This container can be stopped or closed or refreshed. Okay. Or dot. Many things can be done. Many things can be done. Super. Next, L. Resource object is required. Pass Spring Bean configuration file. To pass Spring Bean configuration. You cannot pass Spring Bean configuration file directly, boss. To pass Spring Bean configuration file, we need to pass one or other resource object. Definitely, in the form of resource object, you have to pass. That's a special object, boss. That is a special object. Understanding my statement, guys? Super, boss. Tell me, L. Tell me, L. We can pass Spring Bean configuration file directly while creating this container. This IOC container. Everyone got it? I think these differences are more than sufficient, guys. Interviewer listens 4 or 5 differences from your mouth. Okay, after that he will say, let's go to next topic. You won't have patience to listen all your 10 differences. I think other day I promised I will give you 10 differences. See, if someone asks you what is the container you have used, application context only. Where should I use BeanFactory IOC container? And where should I use? Interview hardly listen 3 or 4 differences. Tell the main important. Use application context container. Actually, already I have given answer, boss. I already given answer to you people or not? Okay. If Spring is used in memory sensitive application, where few extra kilobytes also matters, like mobile applications, embedded system applications. What do you mean by embedded system? Our software application will be attached to the electronic devices, electrical devices, mechanical devices, like robots, like self-driven cars. Self-driven cars, lot of options are there now, boss. Self-driven cars, robots, multiple options are there or not there. In the chip, both software and hardware will be there now. A chip attached to the fully automated washing machine. Washing machine thinks and takes the decisions. The washing machine that thinks and takes the decisions, right? It can think and it can take the decisions. Where should I use BeanFactory IOC container? Where should I use application context IOC container? Okay. If Spring is used, Spring or Spring Boot is used. Sorry, Spring only. Because for Spring Boot, no need of BeanFactory container. We cannot use, right? Super. Please don't expect example on BeanFactory container. I'm telling comparison only for interview sake. Please, Saurya, if it is important, I would have given example on BeanFactory container. Na? Waste of time, don't ask. Fine. Don't be the psychological feeling I have not seen BeanFactory container practically. It's something like this, boss. It's something like this. Date class is deprecated. Local date time class is a new one. Okay. If someone says, explain all the methods of date class, explain all the methods of date class before going to local date time. Is it required? Happily work with local date time. Na? What is need of wasting your time on date class? That two deprecated methods. That two deprecated methods. Yeah. If Spring is used, if Spring is used, if Spring is used in memory sensitive applications, like mobile applications, embedded system applications, and etc. Okay, etc. Where one or two few extra kilobytes also matters. Then prefer using BeanFactory IOC container. Okay. If Spring is used in web applications, distributed applications, enterprise applications, and etc., where memory does not matter. Memory utilization does not matter. Then prefer using application context container. Then prefer using application context container. Cool guys? Okay. Super guys. Array, note. Spring is not so popular in mobile, embedded system applications. Spring is known for Spring Boot frameworks are known for developing enterprise applications. So prefer using application context as your application context container as your first choice container. Understanding my statement? Array, enterprise applications are two types: web applications and distributed applications, right? First choice as your first choice container. First choice container. Got it? Array, when I say enterprise application, there is no need of separately writing web application and distributed application. Recollect your initial days. Two types of enterprise applications. One is web application, other one is distributed application. Right? I think I have compared both also. I have compared both. So actually there is no need of writing enterprise application. Only for knowledge sake I have written it. Only for knowledge sake I have written it. Got? Super. Okay, boss. Now listen carefully. Tomorrow you have two sessions to attend. Session 1 is Log4j workshop. It's going to be long session, guys. Minimum 2.5 hours, 3 hours it will take up. Okay. Okay. Minimum 2.5 hours, 3 hours it will take up. That's a one session. And evening 7:30 p.m. regular session is there. Evening 7:30 p.m. as usually regular session is there. Understanding my statement? Okay. Log4j not 4 p.m. It's a 9 a.m. It's a 9 a.m. Tomorrow 9 a.m. 19th. It's a 9 a.m. Yeah, if you miss the session, we will try to give YouTube links, but it takes time. It takes time. It takes time. Okay. Right, boss? It is only for Naresh IT students, guys. Spring, non-spring, anything. Anyone can attend. Anyone can attend this. Anyone can attend this. Hmm. Yeah, I think we have taken 1,000+ capacity. We have taken 1,000+ capacity link, boss. 1,000+ capacity link. Don't worry. 1,000+ capacity link. Super. Yeah, take more capacity. A log4j not required. When I conduct on other tools, definitely I will take more capacity. Right, boss. I will take on more capacity. Super. Fine, boss. Right. Fine. Winding up today's session. I'm winding up today's session. I have other company call to attend. Anyhow, tomorrow it's going to be long session. Okay, and evening also session is there. If needed, I will call you on Sunday also. If needed, I will call you on Sunday also. Right. I will settle the GitHub problem. I will settle GitHub problem and I will keep the projects in the GitHub. I will settle. Directly, I will give URL. This time, I don't try in front of you people. I will keep the projects and I will give the URL to you. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. Only.